you're out of focus. Holy crap. There we go. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday, May 30th. Yes, Thursday, May 30th. My days and knowing the days is
31st.
Wow. See? 31st. Today's an exciting day because we finally get our car back, but not even gonna lie, I'm a little sad. I have been enjoying this minivan. Y'all have heard me correctly. I have enjoyed this minivan. I mean, I just like how spacey it is. There's so much room. But yeah, we have a lot of errands to do. It's my off day from the gym. I am sore. So let's get to the errand running. So much fun. All right, guys, that was short-lived of enjoying our beautiful car. So we took our car in because it's has a warranty of like 60,000 miles or 5 years, and we were at the pretty close to the 60,000 mile warranty mark. And when we were driving, we noticed that we noticed that the clutch would kind of slip when it was like when you'd stop and then you'd go to take off. It would kind of like that. So we just wanted to get it checked. Well, they ended up replacing the clutch, so we picked it up today, and I didn't even get out of the dealership, and it was way worse than what it was before. But that's okay. We got a really nice little car for another couple days, but we are running home because Caleb has a showing that he has to get to, like last minute showing that we just got, which is so exciting. He's so happy to be working again, aren't you, honey?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna get him home, and then we are going to, after his showing, run a couple more errands. There's a ton, and I literally mean a ton of benefits about living downtown. Y'all, we don't have to travel very far to take really cool pictures. That's what we struggled with so much in Washington and Auburn. There was nowhere to take like good pictures for IG. I know that's like total first world problems, but for me, for my career, that's a big problem, not having like good locations for pictures. So oh, there's a cute little birdie. We just found some really cute locations downtown to take some shots. Got some already, but now I need to change because we're gonna find a new location to take pictures. But first, Caleb has a showing, so I'm just gonna ride along with him to the showing. I'm not gonna go in because I ain't looking all professional and stuff. And then that's when we're gonna run our errands, look for a second location for some more pictures for the gram, and then we have to come home and finish working on Monarch. I'm so excited, you guys. June 16th is the launch, and if you don't know what Monarch is, it's the jewelry line that I own and created. Make sure you guys are following us on IG. I'll have that link down below, but I need to figure out what I want to wear. What I'm going for this shoot is kind of like, I don't even know. I don't even know the word for the style I'm going for, but I know it's in my head. So here we go.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
Alrighty, guys, it is currently, let's see, 8:10 at night. Oh, 8:10. Need to charge my phone. I'm getting ready to watch the Warriors versus Cavs game, and I'm super excited. I want the Cavs to win really bad, even though I'm for sure a die-hard Kobe fan, I will admit. LeBron is the greatest of all time. I can't believe that just came out of my mouth. But it's true, you gotta give credit where credit is due, faux show. But obviously I'm in the bathroom, that's why there's an echo. I need to take my makeup off, so I thought I would have y'all join me with taking my makeup off. So I use these Cetaphil wipes. To be perfectly honest, they're really dry, so they kind of hurt. But I haven't gotten any new like makeup wipes in a while. So if you guys know a good like makeup taking off wipe brand that's good for gentle or good for sensitive skin, let me know in the comments. Do y'all know, if you're in Tampa, any like really good salons to get your hair done? Because your girl is getting a mullet. Like, I have a full-on mullet almost going on right now. So I need to get my hair cut really bad, and possibly a color. I'm not sure what color I want to go. I'm thinking like going with my natural color, which is the darker now, because my hair used to be naturally like platinum blonde. And then when I lost it all because of chemo and everything, it came back this like color of my eyebrows, like that ashy color. But yeah, I need a hairstylist because obviously my girl is in Washington and I'm not going to be flying to Washington to get my hair cut. So today I'm going to use my Derma Essentials Microdermabrasion Scrub. I use this twice a week, so I use it on Sundays and mostly Wednesdays, but I forgot yesterday, so it's gonna work today for this Thursday. Only use this twice a week though, just to really like, get all the dead stuff off of my skin.
No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
In the morning and at night, once my face is clean, I take my Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is the aloe vera formula, which is alcohol free. Just put it on a little cotton swab. I like douse it. Then just go all over my face. And then that is it. Oh geez. That is it for my night routine when it comes to my face. I honestly try to keep it as simple as possible, because with my face and my skin tone, the more stuff I put on my face, like skincare products, my face actually starts to, oh geez, I missed. My face actually starts to really break out from all the products. So I try to keep it as simple and minimal as possible. And then when I'm not using the, that was loud. When I'm not using the Derma Scrub, this is just the daily cleanser I use. It's from Life DNA. It's the soothing cleanser. I'm almost out. I love their products a lot. I really do. But sadly, my skin is starting to break out from their products, just because with my skin over time, it will get used to something and it will basically just like go rogue. So it's always done that to whatever I've tried. So it kind of sucks. So if you guys know, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to turn the lights off on you. So if you guys know of any like really good like skincare, like cleaning, face cleaning products, let me know. That doesn't make you really oily either. But yeah, so I'm winded. That is my, little get unready with me. I'm gonna get ready to watch this game. It's starting in like 15 minutes. Gotta get some food, like some snacks. So I will see y'all either in the next clip or the next video. I'm not sure yet. So whatever it is, I'll see y'all later. Love y'all.